So I woke up this morning with an intense desire to do some updates to a website that I've been working on, where I had this idea about how to re-architect the whole thing so it'd be a little bit cleaner. So I woke up at 5 a.m. and got started. You could say that this was a bit of a big refactor. So far I've changed 35 files. And I'm not quite happy with it yet, but I think we'll get there. This morning kicks off with Stephanie measuring individual raspberries for their...
I can't even afford one raspberry. Like, if I'm gonna eat one raspberry, it's gonna be like in my wine or like in my, like as dessert, I'm gonna freeze them or something. Like, this is crazy.
And I've been working on improving our irrigation system, but it doesn't actually work. So now we have to talk to the people that installed it, because I think they might have made a mistake or it might have broken or something like that. I'm happy to finally be out and about. This morning was a lot of coding, and then I spent some time trying to fix and improve the irrigation system we've got at our house. But now it's off to the Googleplex, where I'm going to be doing a bunch of meetings, some interviews, and then I'm going to end the day up at the Tesla factory for a tour, which I'm not able to share, unfortunately. I don't think I've ever driven into the office this late. Normally I head in very early, or I just work from home. But today I wanted to do a couple meetings in person, despite the late start here. Uh-oh, that's not good.
Don't make me come after you with the chicken breast. This is what happened last time.
Making some dinner in precise quantities.